Hey friends, Dave Novak, Prevention Pest Control. So Patrick and I are out today doing some services. Want you guys to know we do mosquito service. We've been doing that for a few years, pretty much ever since we started. This year we are doing a tick service and everybody's been calling for it. So now, want you guys to know we are doing it. What generates typically the business for ticks is something like this. This is an article that came out on April 15th. The Beacon Journal. My neighbor Brian brought it over for me, and when you see a headline like that, Lyme disease up more than 1,000%, it gets everybody thinking about ticks. So most people either know someone, or have had it happen to them where they've been bitten by a tick, and unfortunately Lyme disease is one of those things. It's a serious issue, so we have a service now where we can treat for that. If it's something you're interested in, give us a call, 234-571-1203, or shoot us an email, preventionpestcontrol@yahoo.com. Be more than happy to come out, take a look at your property, and give you an estimate. Obviously, we use the best equipment that money can buy. This is a steel backpack that we use. Compliments of Bob Beiswinger at Akron Tractor. Shout out to you, Bob. Bob has been so good to us almost 10 years now. We've been buying all our equipment from Bob. He's great. If you need a weed whacker, mower, blower, go see Bob. Tell him I sent you. I'm not going to give you a discount. He may charge you more, so maybe you might not want to say that. But Bob will definitely take care of you. Good friend of Prevention Pest Control all these years. So obviously it's getting warm, which means the deer are out, the ticks are out, the mosquitoes are out. If you need something, give us a call, 234-571-1203. Patrick, Mike, and I will be out. Thanks. See you next time.